Uthina uJoemat-Pattersson odlule emhlabeni ngomsombuluko uchazwe njengeqhawekazi lomphakathi. Ngesikhathi eshona ubezungezwe izinsolo zokufuna ukufumbathiswa umvikeli womphakathi osamisiwe uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane.
President Ramaphosa offers his sincere condolences to the family of the former minister and especially her sons, Austin and Terence. The President extends his sympathy to the friends, comrades, and parliamentary colleagues of the late leader who was born in Kimberley and served as MEC for Education from 1994.
Ngaphambi kokushona ubezogaqela esephini likaMengameli wophiko labesifazane ku-ANC.
She was contesting a deputy president position in the Women's League in the coming weeks, where a conference will be convened in terms of the leadership of the Women's League. Hence, we are saying that this is definitely a loss to see when we have few leaders in the Women's League that are really in the country that are taking the forefront of leading. It is a sad issue.
We are all distressed about her passing away, and I've sent condolences to the family to say condolences to them, and it's quite a tragedy.
Waphinde wasebenza njengowengameli womnyango wezemfundo kanye nowezamaciko namasiko.